Good morning. This is one of those mornings where you don't wake up too perky. I haven't been sleeping. I'm coming down with some type of a cold. Got my coffee going. Don't know where my lid is, but it's okay. It's in a to-go cup. Good morning. You gonna have a good day?
Yeah.
It's Friday.
Yay! And tomorrow I have my recital.
That's right.
Extreme House Spirit Day.
Extreme House Spirit Day. I am loving my tree in my bedroom. I need like a skirt, but look how pretty it is. Isn't it even a real day without laundry? Idea, it's so cute. Okay, enough with the chair. Another day, another package, another to-do list, another crazy toddler. What are you doing? Stay here and I'll give you something. Okay, I'm right here. These, Ace, I got you cleats.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What is this?
What is that?
Oh, okay. This is from Auntie. Wrap it and put it under the tree. This. I gotta go hide this. Lots going on today, as usual. I haven't been getting much sleep. We're gonna go see Lola. I haven't been getting much sleep the past 2 nights. I don't know what's going on, but I woke up and I showered and I cleaned my office this morning. The little girls are at school. The big kids are doing homeschooling and eating massive amounts of cereal. Guys, I can't buy milk every single day. At least every other day, okay? Baby Tizeo is here. I'm getting packages. Today is Christmas shopping wrap-up day. My family's done, but I need to do a Target pickup for my my niece and 2 of my nephews. And then I'm going to run to Burlington because I need a warm coat and I need warm gloves because football season has started and I am dying of, frostbite out there. It is freezing in Vegas right now. I got you. Whoa, I got you. So I need to do that because practices are 2 hours from 6 to 8 and it's freezing outside. Meanwhile, I'm hoping the rest of the kids' cleats come in because Tolly and Gigi are going to be playing flag football this year, so I had to get them new cleats. Holly's gloves came in, and they're so stinking cute on her. I got these on a sale on Amazon. So, sale. Say sale. Amazon. Amazon. I'm going to get this little booger in the car, and we're going to go do all of the things. Gas, I need to do some returns. We're going to go to Burlington. We're going to go to Target pickup, and I need to vacuum the car. I need to do a return. I need to do a lot of stuff. Let's get this day started, yeah? What are you doing, monkey?
Oh
my God. Okay, let's go. Time for Mama to eat. I'm having the egg blend for breakfast. It heats up in 5 minutes. It's one of 5 delicious meal varieties GOLO Foods offers. It helps jumpstart my metabolism and give me a boost of energy. Meal pack sizes are available in 5, 8, 12, and 24 packs. The more you order, the more you save. When you order 24 meals, each meal is $6.99. 5 different blends. We have the egg blend, beef blend, chicken, and rice, plant-based option. Like most of the world, one of my goals is to be healthier in the new year, and for me, I struggle with discipline working out, discipline eating well, and just pretty much anything in general. I tend to be an indulger, but I have found that GOLO Foods, designed by chef and nutrition experts with 16 high quality superfood ingredients, really makes eating healthier and more convenient. Convenience of pulling a low-calorie, low-sodium meal with no artificial ads, preservatives, sugars, or harmful chemicals is the way to go with my crazy busy lifestyle. GOLO meal blends are farm fresh and wholesome. As much as I don't want to admit it, I'm 42 now, and with 6 kids, this mama is very busy, but not busy enough to eat a healthy meal. I need extra protein, and GOLO Foods meals are balanced, providing high-quality protein, rich fiber carbs, and healthy fats. GOLO has fast and free delivery with no subscription required. I'll drop the link below with my discount code. And mom tip, GOLO Foods is a great option for the athletes in my household to grab a meal to help them get through the day. They're good? Let me see. Oh, are they too small? Stand up. Remember, you don't have socks on. Hi again. Hi. Hi, baby. quick pickup. All right, I am gonna go inside real quick because I want to get some pajamas for my nephew and this toy that I think he would like, and that way I don't have to worry about it at Burlington. I can just go in and get my stuff and then move on with the day. I might as well show you what I got. I got these tray puzzles. I think there's like, I don't know, like 4 of them in there for my niece and nephew that are 3. And then my niece, I got her a Moana 2. This is like Moana's little sister. I did get this for Tolly too. And then I got Tazeo some socks. I'm going to go inside because I think I'm going to get some more of the boys some socks too. And oh wow, this is way smaller than I thought, but whatever. It's super cute. This is Pua from Moana 2. And then Hey should be here in here somewhere. I don't know. And then I got my nephew this remote control car. Tazeo has that and he loves it. A couple Hot Wheels for him. Cute. And then I did get my niece a Moana. So it's in a boy and a girl. There's twins. So I got them each like 3 or 4 little toys. And then I ordered some pajamas. Oh, Hey's not here. Oh my goodness. I gotta go inside. I like these. They're really warm. Let me get these. So cute. Let me get him some of these. How much are these? $10. Okay, this is what I need to Zale. Okay, success. We got what we needed. I'll show you everything when we get home. Something to eat now. Go. Did grab a couple things for Tazeo because all the Cat and Jack and most of the clothes are 30% off, and these long sleeves are only $5, so they're only $3.50. I got him a white one and a black one. I like having these on hand. This I got, it was only $5 I got for his stocking, and then these were on sale 30% off also, so I got him some new warm socks. And this too, this ended up only being $7. I love black zip-ups. I was looking for a gray one, but they didn't have it. But his 2T fits him now, so I got him a 3T because, you know, we can always use that. For my other nephew, I got some Hot Wheels, 2 shirts. He wears like a 3/4T, so I got 4T. And then these cute joggers. Tazeo already has these. I love them. They're so cute. And then I got him this puzzle thing that I showed you in the car. There's 4 puzzles. For my last nephew, I got him the same shirts, but red and black.
We're